We guide you through how to create a Zelle account so you can start sending or receiving money instantly using your phone number or email. First thing you need to do is to open Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play and install it. If your bank already supports Zelle, you can also set up directly inside your banking app. But the standalone Zelle app works for almost everyone. After installing the app, tap Get Started, then enter your US mobile number or email address, followed by creating a secure password. Zelle will send a verification code. Just enter it to confirm your identity. Next, the app will ask you to connect a US bank account or debit card. Tap Continue, choose your bank from the list, and log in using your online banking username and password. If your bank isn't listed, you can link a Visa or MasterCard debit card instead, which also activates your Zelle profile. After linking your bank, Zelle will finalize your account setup and take you to the home screen where you can now send or request money. You can also customize your profile photo and your display name to make transactions easier for friends and family to recognize. Keep in mind that Zelle only works with the United States and you must use a US phone number and bank account. Once everything is verified, your Zelle account is officially ready and you can start transferring money instantly with no fees.